Okay, the last thing I'm going to go over is just a refresher of how to insert images and how you can adjust those images. So most of you remember how to insert an image. I'm going to get rid of this one for now. And you can go up to the little picture of the mountain, or you can go up to insert image. It's up to you. If you already have an image saved on your computer, you can click upload here. You can also, if you had an image on your desktop, you could just drag it and drop it here and it will upload. You can take a snapshot with your webcam. If you have something saved in your drive, you can search for it, or you can just search Google and say you were looking for a clock. You type it in. You can choose what type of image you want. So if you wanted something more of clip art, you could choose that to narrow it down. Also, you can go by color scheme. So if you have a project and you want a certain color or feel, try going through these different colors and see if you can find something that will fit the design of your project. If you want to get back to the multicolored, just click on the rainbow. Okay? So I'm going to choose this clock and I'm going to pick select and it's going to go in my slideshow. It works the same for a Google Doc. So remember, if you're adjusting the size, you want to go in from the corners, not from the top and bottom or the sides. And in addition, you can crop your image. So if you click on this icon here, that's the crop tool, and you just move it in from the sides. Maybe you really want to zoom in on. Now here, in this case, you can go in from the sides because it's not going to distort the image size. You're actually just cropping out part of the picture. So this part is what's going to stay, and this part is what's going to go away. If I want to undo it, I'm just going to click here, reset image, or just Control Z. And last thing we have is some image options. So we can choose, these are the image options. We can recolor it. So again, if your project, if you're going for something specific, you can recolor it or go back to no recolor. And you can play with the transparency. Transparency, remember, is like what can you see through. You can also go and play with the brightness and the contrast. When you're all done, you're just going to be done. You can close your options, and there you go.